This video tutorial I will explain Kafka Producer Callbacks and we will write the producer with keys. Here you can see Apache Kafka ecosystem. Here you can see Kafka cluster. It has brokers and each broker has topics. And here you can see Kafka Producer demo application, which is Java application, and it has producer code which will send messages to Kafka topic. And once the message is successfully posted to Kafka topic, the callback method related to producer will be called. In the callback method, we can print the information like in which topic, which partition, and in which offset the message has been stored. In the previous video, we saw how producer sends data to Kafka. We can use callbacks to understand whether data was correctly produced and in which topic, which partition, and in which offset the data has been stored. And for performing callbacks, user need to implement callback function. And here you can see we are calling send method of producer object, passing producer record, and then the callback function. Here callback function is on completion, which accept record metadata and the exception. Once the message has been successfully submitted to topic, this method will be automatically called, and from record metadata we can get in which topic, which partition, and in which offset what timestamp the message has been stored. Here you can see the key and value. Here I am creating a producer record using a producer record constructor. In producer record constructor, I am passing the topic name and the key and value. Keys become useful when user wants to send a message to the same partition. The key will uniquely identify the partition from other partitions. Here I have defined the class Kafka Producer Demo. Here I have defined the topic name as animal topic. Inside main method, I am creating a properties object. In properties, I am setting producer configurations like bootstrap server configuration, which is nothing but Kafka server IP address and port number, key serializer class config, and value serializer class config. Then I am creating a Kafka producer object using Kafka producer constructor, which accept properties object. Here I am calling get animal list method. This method returns a list of animal names. Here I have declared I value as 0. Using for each loop, I am getting each animal name from animal list, then posting that animal name to animal topic. Here I am formulating key and value. Here I am creating a producer record object using a producer record constructor which accept topic name, which is animal topic, key and value. Then I am calling send method of producer object to send animal name to animal topic. Once animal name is successfully posted to animal topic, this on completion method will be called, and from record metadata object I am getting in which topic, which partition, in which offset, in what timestamp the animal name is posted to animal topic. Here you can see Amazon AWS console. Here EC2 instance is running. Copy this IPv4 address, open Putty software, and it is successfully logged in. Open WinSCP software, and it is successfully logged in. Inside Kafka folder, you can see config folder. Click on this, open server.properties file, and here you can see advertise listeners. Here we have to provide host name and port number, and copy this host name and the port number is 8082. We have to make sure this port is public. Save these changes. To make 8082 public, click on security, click on this, click on edit inbound rules, and here you can see 8082 port already I make public. If you want to do from scratch, then click on add rule, then you have to do like this, custom TCP 8082 port, and you have to select this one, then click on save rules. Already I have done, so I am cancelling this. Now I am going to start Zookeeper server. Copy this command. Zookeeper server has been started. Next I am going to start Kafka server. Copy this command. Kafka server has been started. Copy this host name and port number. Next I am going to create animal topic. Animal topic has been created successfully. Before we run Kafka Producer demo application, here we have to provide EC2 instance host name and port number. Copy this EC2 instance host name and port number. Save the changes. Now I am going to start this Java application. Here you can see the key is id-1, value is dog. Once this animal name is successfully sent to animal topic, the callback function has been called, and it is displaying the topic name, partition, offset, and what timestamp. Like that, this is the second key. Key is id-2 and value is lion. Once this animal name is successfully posted to animal topic, the callback function has been called, and it is displaying in which topic, which partition, in which offset the animal name has been posted on what timestamp. Like that, you can see other key value pairs and the callback function output. If you notice the output, each key is different. So the value will be posted to different partitions. If you see, the lion is posted to partition 2 and the tiger is posted to partition 0. The snake is posted to partition 1 and the cat is posted to partition 2. Now what we will do is, we will make key same for all the values. Then we will see what happens. To make all the keys same, I am going to comment this line, save these changes and run this program. If you notice the output, the key is same for all the values. The key is id-0. And if you notice, the value is stored in same partition, which is partition 2. So if the key is same, the message will be posted to same partition. If key is different, then message will be posted to different partitions.
You can get Java source code link for each video from the description section of the video. And here you can see the video, and to see the description, click on this more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links, and click on these links to get the Java source code.